Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, the government plans to spend millions to build 6 STEM schools. So we are going to give you an update on the first of the 6 schools to be built in St. Ann. Designs for the first science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics school are expected to be completed in the new financial year and the necessary approvals obtained for construction. These measures will be facilitated under Phase 2 of the Education System Transformation Program, for which a sum of $300 million has been allocated in the 2024-25 estimates of expenditure now before the House of Representatives. 6 STEAM schools will be constructed across the island, with the first slated to be established in St. Ann. The funds allocated under the Education System Transformation Program 2 will also go towards promulgating the STEAM education policy and identify additional lands to build out and develop an information and communications technology strategy and requirement plan. Implemented in April 2022, the Education System Transformation Program has the objective of advancing the modernization of the education sector and to build on the initiatives already executed. It is expected to conclude in March 2030. The National Education Trust Limited is the implementing agency for the program. Meanwhile, a sum of $108 million has been earmarked for the improvement of teaching practices and learning conditions in secondary education under the Jamaica Education Project. During the 2024-25 fiscal year, work will be undertaken to develop pre- and in-service training modules for secondary teachers and principals, teacher guides for grades 7 to 9, and guidance notes on the pathways mechanism used in secondary schools. A system assessment will also be undertaken to define the requirements for the Education Management Information System, and staff will be recruited for the project implementation unit. The Ministry of Education and Youth is the implementing agency for the project, which commenced in November 2023 and will conclude in November 2029. Alright guys, so that's the latest update. The first school will be built this year, or they'll start construction, and it's going to be in St. Ann. Alright, so we will keep you guys updated on this project and the construction of all the 6 schools. Alright guys, we're actually driving through New Kingston today. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.